Does your TV screen say no signal? Or does it have a solid blue or black screen? It may be on the wrong input. First, locate your remote control. Press the Input or Video Source button while pointing it towards the TV. Keep pressing the Input or Video Source button multiple times to help you scroll to the correct input until the TV picture returns. If you're using a non-Breezeline remote, you may need to press OK, Select, or use your remote's up-down arrows to scroll and select the different inputs. Make sure you don't scroll too quickly. Sometimes it can take a few seconds for the TV signal to come back on. When the video signal reappears, you know your TV is on the correct input. Jot down the input name, such as HDMI 1, to help you remember it next time. For more help, visit breezeline.com/support.